this stuff. Hey guys, what's going on? You're 413 back with, guess who it is? Special guest, Daniel. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful! Daniel? Are you
Ready?
Stuff. It's Daniel. Go subscribe to his channel. What is it? Danylan? DANYLAN. And let's just look at this hat for a moment. It's so beautiful. Okay. What are we going to be doing today?
Stuff.
Yeah, we really didn't discuss it. Let's go inside and say hi to Blossom. I can't speak. Let's say hi to Blossom, guys. Because who doesn't like Blossom? Go subscribe to Danylan, because he makes great videos about eating pizza. Just great quality, guys. I'm just gonna close the gate. What is it? Really?
Yes.
Okay. You ready? Look at it! It's so majestic! Whoa!
Don't jump on me again. Don't.
Blossom, what are you thinking?
Wait, you need to get this on camera. I heard jumping on me.
But, so you want her to jump on you?
For the camera, you need to get subs and where did...
Yeah, you guys better subscribe to my channel.
Oh.
Because I'm only getting a subscriber like every single 10 videos. You guys
by the
gotta
way,
stick it up.
Did you see that?
No, just kidding. You guys are great.
You have 30 subscribers.
Yes, of course. I've had 30 subscribers for ages, but it's great. Subscribers are great. You guys are the best. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, then you've been living under a rock. Because I've got 30 subscribers. That's like, if you didn't know me, you've been living under a rock for like.
Yeah, PewDiePie only has 32.
Yeah, yeah, we're like 32, more than 32. I think he only has 50 subscribers. 50 million subscribers, but that's still close. Isn't it right? Isn't that right, Blossom? We're so close to PewDiePie. Just.
Wait, doesn't he have 32 million subscribers?
No, 52. We're so close, guys. So close. But what are we going to be doing today? We're going to be throwing the ball. I really have no idea what we're going to do, but Blossom, hope you... Blossom! Go get it. Ow, my foot. Go get it. Go get it.
He's not in.
This is just a random video, so why are you wasting time watching this? Watch something else like PewDiePie. Or watch the Dan TDM, or watch Daniel. Watch Daniel. Oh my gosh, it's
It's very bad. That was just so sudden. That was all over my eyes.
oh my gosh.
My God!
You guys probably can't see that, but it's raining
Like,
so heavily.
very.
And it was super sunny just a second ago.
Exactly.
And then boom.
Hadouken.
Hadouken.
Kamehameha.
You can hear it, guys. Can you hear it? Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, Blossom's like, holy cow, what was that?
It's probably gonna stop in like a second or two.
Oh my gosh, it's stopping. Is it?
It's stopping.
It stopped. Holy cow. What in the world was that? That was crazy. Well, I'm kinda... Oh, that's Okay, we're gonna end the video there, I guess. That was the stupidest video ever. And we're gonna make Daniel get a goal in for the last bit. Are you good at basketball?
No, not good at basketball.
Okay, that's the greatest shot that Daniel could do ever. So close. We're gonna end the video there. Hope you guys enjoyed and blossom. Woo!